di kita na naman yung ating second set doon. Lamang FU throughout most of the set no rin, pero yung Navy talagang sa dulo. It was a movement of heaven and earth to get it done.
Well, obviously, they kept yung composure nila. But, you know, same as the statistics in the first set. Makita mo, in terms of attacks, FU lamang, 15-13. But we always have to look at the errors. FU 11 as compared to 3. Kung si Coach Shaq, I'm sure sobrang galit na yun sa mga players.
Well, si Coach Shaq nga kanina hindi na nagko-coach. Kanina sinasabi lang niya sa mga players niya, alam mo, ayusin nyo na yan. Kayang-kaya nyo naman yan pagdating sa pabilisan. But obviously, that's not the case here for FU. So 25-23 twice already.
Well, kanina we were talking about Kasugod and how well she was playing. She's actually yung leading scorer nung after 2 sets, no? With 7. Simborio 6, Dawson 6, Malabanan with 5. So no Palma in the numbers.
Maya, narinig ka ni Remy.
Okay. Itong kay sa Navy, Laborte leads all scores 8. Rosale, Prochina, and Suson 5 apiece.
So FU draws first blood dito po sa ating third set. A set that they need to win here. Again, yung mga puntos importante rito in case of ties because 3 teams have no wins at this point. One of these teams will get their first win today. Pero again, pagdating sa point system, pagdating sa quotient, that will be important. Oh, great block by Palma.
That's right, nabasa ni Mary Palma. Yeah, again, no, surprising para sa atin kasi sinasabi mo na ilan points ang kinontribute niya in the previous match na she's not the top scorer dito sa game na to.
Well, she's been the top scorer all throughout. In fact, nung kalaban nga nila itong Meralco, which went to 5 sets, dalawa sila ni Bernadette Pons na naka-20. Again, if you're just joining us, FU still missing the services of Bernadette Pons, who is still in the UAAP Beach Volleyball competition. Nice block that time. Tony Basas naman ngayon. Naka-contribute. Good start for FU.
That's right, 3-0.
Tony Basas ka hindi naglaro nung ating second set. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Well, again, alam natin na she's nursing an injury as well.
Knee injury. Our first look also, of course, at Torres, who's playing for the first time. That's Glyza Torres para sa FU off the block. Here is Basas, airborne, pero nasa net. Again, para nakikita mo, a very young version of Rachel Andakis.
Yes.
Yung paglipad niya, yung pag-take off. And again, one of the players of FU na marami ring fans.
Oo. And remember nung first time niya maglaro, parang she impressed so many people and she won a lot of fans at that time.
There's Basas now on the reception. Quick set. Oh, Glyza Torres, pero napalakas yung kanyang tira. Ito yung pinagmamalaki sa akin ni Coach Shaq kanina. Isang taon na lang, panuurin mo itong batang to kung gano'ng kataas lumipad.
Actually, look at how built niya.
Yeah,
very athletic.
That's a volleyball build right there. Pero 3-2 on 2 missteps here by FU. Ito ngayon si Giselle C. Kombinasyon na naman para dito kay Tony Basas. At si Kitero Sale, nakuha naman yun ni Tin Agno. Remy Palma, dinalawang kamay. Laborte, dinalawang kamay din. Sa may bagsak si Mikmik. Basas ngayon. Giselle C. Combination play. Serafica going to Nene Ibanez. Habang rally. Do not tempt me. Diba? You won't like me when I'm angry. Sabi ni Nene. Tingnan mo to.
Talagang timing, no? And she knew exactly what to do yung pagbalik na eh.
So tied at 3. Ikaw kanina ka pa natatawa na rin yan tuloy. Si Mikmik hindi nakakuha ng service doon. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa FEU.
You won't like me na eh.
Don't like me when I'm angry. Buti nga hindi pa berde kulay niya.
And she moves heaven and earth.
Oh, yun. Para si Zeus eh.
Kaya nga may demigod.
Sirabi ka. Oh, yan na naman. Oh. Pati siya natatawa na eh. Oh, and then Ibanez turning back the hands of time. Si Cronus na yun, Cronus.
The Golden Fleece. Umahaba na kwento na.
Yung mga batang nasa grade school, nagkaka-history lesson tuloy sa ating Greek mythology na. Ay, yan na. Sarabi ka, hindi na naabutan yon. So, Kasugod and the rest of FEU have regained the lead. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
No, but you know, Noel, I can hear you behind us. Obviously, fans ng Navy, parang they're enjoying.
Oo naman.
Yung tawanan nila. It's so nice na marinig mo yung mga fans ganyan nag-enjoy.
Serafica, well, again, Rosales bumped into the net. There's no call. Kasugod. Serafica, Rosales lost. Sabi ni Mayu Prochina, ako na bahala dyan, Kite.
Well, kasi that is allowed to hit the net for as long as it does not impede play.
Na-impede kasi lahat ng tao nakita, sumasayaw yung net. Tied at 5. Pero yun nga sinasabi nila, the fans appreciating the game itong kupunan ng Philippine Navy because anything is possible na eh. Pag ganun. Kasugod.
Wow!
Ang ganda ng dig na naman ni defensive demigod. Kite! Ay!
Actually, maganda rin. You're right, no? Si Mick Laborte is playing well in the back row as
Yun.
well. Siya yung taga-dig, taga-receive.
At eto na, enough of the experiment involving Kasugod. That is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Balik itong si Cherry Malabanan.
But you know, if you're an FU fan, you'd be excited with the program of FU right now.
Well, right now, of course, dito sa Shakey's V-League, as there's a service ace from Prochina, you would notice na itong FU medyo nakangapa dito. But wow, you put them in the UAAP right now, they're ready to go. This could be a Final Four team at the very least.
Pero you gotta remember, si Malabanan, like we said, it's not
Not yet playing there. And Torres went airborne pero hindi niya nakuha yung bola kasi hindi pumunta sa side. 3-point lead for the Philippine Navy.